In a fresh controversy, Shiv Sena MLA from Maharashtra's Buldhana, Sanjay Gaikwad has made headlines after announcing a reward of rupees 11 lakh to anyone who cuts off Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's tongue. These inflammatory statements come after the wake of Rahul Gandhi's remarks during his recent visit to the United States, where he suggested that India could think of scrapping the reservation system once the country becomes a fair place. Gaikwad, reacting to this, has accused the Congress leader for attempting to eliminate reservations, a move that he claims would harm the backward classes, tribals, and other marginalized groups. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Before we proceed, have a look at this video.
महाराष्ट्रात आणि देशामध्ये आरक्षणाच्या मागणीची आग लागलेली असतानाच त्यातच मागासलेल्या जातींना समाजाच्या बरोबरीमध्ये उभं करण्याकरता डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांनी संविधानामध्ये मागासवर्गीय, आदिवासी, ओबीसी इतर सगळ्या प्रवर्गांना रिझर्वेशन त्या ठिकाणी दिलं. आणि असं असताना काँग्रेसचे ज्येष्ठ नेते राहुल गांधी यांनी विदेशामध्ये जाऊन माझ्या देशातलं रिझर्वेशन आम्हाला संपवायचं आहे अशा प्रकारचं वक्तव्य त्या ठिकाणी केलं. म्हणजे काँग्रेसचा खरा चेहरा आणि त्याच्या पोटातली मळमळ त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी ओकून दाखवली. लोकसभेच्या निवडणुकीमध्ये संविधान धोक्यात आहे, संविधानामध्ये हे आपलं आरक्षण संपवणार आहे असा फेक निगेटिव्ह नेरेटिव्ह ठेवून त्यांनी समाजाची मतं घेतली आणि आज ते आरक्षण संपवण्याची भाषा करून आलेत. म्हणजे 100% त्यांना मागासवर्गीयांचं, आदिवासींचं, ओबीसींचं सगळ्यांचं आरक्षण त्या ठिकाणी संपवायचं आहे. या राहुल गांधींनी हे जे शब्द बोलला की आम्हाला आरक्षण संपवायचं आहे, माझं आव्हान आहे की या राहुल गांधीची जो जीभ छाटेल त्याला 11 लाखाचं बक्षीस मी माझ्या वतीने त्या ठिकाणी देईन.
Before we discuss the whole story, let me remind you of a similar such instance. That is, in August 2021, former Union Minister and BJP MP Narayan Rane was arrested for threatening to slap former Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over an Independence Day speech. Rane was arrested for making this statement and subsequently granted bail, while no arrests have been made in this case till the time of shooting this video. Gaikwad, who represents the Buldhana constituency, made this controversial announcement on Monday, stating that Rahul Gandhi's comment reflect the true face of the Congress party. He further alleged that Gandhi's statements during the US visit shows the party's opposition to reservations, system established by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Gaikwad, known for his past controversies, declared whoever chops off Rahul Gandhi's tongue will be given rupees 11 lakh. Well, this is not the first time Gaikwad has found himself in the eye of a storm. He had previously faced backlash for viral video showing a policeman cleaning his car, which he claimed was done voluntarily after officer became ill. In another incident, Gaikwad boasted about hunting a tiger in 1987 and wearing his tooth as a pendant, prompting the state's forest department to file charges under the Wildlife Protection Act. Despite the MLA's explosive remarks, Maharashtra BJP President Chandrasekhar Bawankule has distanced himself and his party from Gaikwad's statement. Bawankule emphasized that while the BJP is a part of the Shiv Sena-led government, such statements do not reflect the party's views. He reiterated that BJP does not support Gaikwad's call for violence, noting that even as Rahul Gandhi criticizes the BJP stance on the constitution, the Congress leader's words should not be met with threats of physical harm. Rahul Gandhi, during his interaction with the students and faculty at the Georgetown University, made it clear while the Congress party acknowledges the need of reservation, the ultimate goal is to create a society where such systems are no longer necessary. He highlighted the lack of representation for the OBCs, Dalits and Adivasis, who make up to 90% of the population, calling it the elephant in the room. According to Gandhi, the Congress party stands firm on the issue of conducting a caste census and ensuring representation of marginalized communities. The Congress leader's remarks have drawn sharp criticism from various BJP leaders. Union Minister Piyush Goyal accused Rahul Gandhi of defaming India on foreign soil, calling his statements as shameful. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah lashed out at Gandhi, stating that divisive rhetoric threatens national unity and alleging that the Congress is out to undermine the reservation system that the BJP is committing to preserving. Atul Londe, the spokesperson for the Maharashtra Congress, reacted strongly to Gaikwad's statement, calling for the Shiv Sena MLA to face charges of incitement to violence. Londe further criticized Gaikwad's comments as dangerous and detrimental to political atmosphere of the state. Maharashtra Congress MLC Bhai Jagtap also condemned Gaikwad's statements, calling them an assault on democracy. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.